All right, this is Aaron Parker with Parker's Safes and Vaults. We're out of Shelbyville, Tennessee. We're veteran owned and family run. These are my two boys, Nathan and Morgan, helping out today. This is a Fort Knox Vault door install, and seems to be normal, but most builders can just not get the rough openings right. So we had to remove a bunch of framing and beat on some concrete to chip it down to the right size. But yeah. Once we get all that done, then the job is just getting the door into place. And we use these carts and move it into place, and then we take all of the palletization off of it, except for the bottom piece. We leave that on, and these are just little brackets that held the plywood on that you saw earlier. And once we get all these little brackets off, and this is a super easy door to install, a few guys can just stand it up. The fulcrum point on the pallet on the 4x4 is just designed right, so it helps it to just pivot up into place. And then this is me here coming around, and I'll just ease it on up. And once it's in place, we can take. That's kind of the hard part, getting the door into place. On a Fort Knox door, they're super easy to install. I'll show you later, but they've got little adjustments and things, but. Basically, you're going to take the rest of the pallet off, take the three pieces that go inside. There's two legs and a header piece, and you just remove those with some bolts, put them inside, and then, this is probably the second hardest part, and it's not too bad. We use Teflon, like little 90-degree pieces, and you just kind of shuffle the door into place until it seats home. Then you put those little pieces back on, the two legs and the header, and they just bolt on. So they just grip the block of the wall. So they don't really squeeze it, but you can press everything together, and then when you fasten that, as long as everything's tight, it won't move at all. It's a really good design, super easy to adjust. It allows for any kind of, maybe not any, but it allows for a lot of imperfections in the wall. And once you tighten all those up, then there are 4 corner bolts right here. And you just put those corner bolts into place. And all they do is they screw in far enough, they're kind of long, they screw in far enough to hit the concrete. And then you can use those to kind of move things just a little bit if you need to. Then when you're done with, plumb and level, check the door swing a couple times, check the bolt works. Generally, if the rough opening is pretty plumb and level, the door is just going to be fine. And then that's really it on these doors. So basically, you unbolt the inner frame and bolt it back together on the inside once the door is into place. There's really not much to it. You don't have to drill holes in the anchor or nothing, anchor holes or anything like that. But yeah, we like Fort Knox doors a lot. They're a great door. We sell a lot of different types of vault doors, and if you're in the market for a quality safe or vault door, just reach out to us. We'll try to help you out.